As a tech enthusiast who loves both cycling and innovative tech, the prospect of reviewing the fifth wheel Thunder 1FT e-bike was exhilarating. After perusing the specs, I realized that this bike was a challenge worth undertaking. I took it for a test drive in the North Georgia mountains, a formidable terrain that proved to be the perfect testing ground. Safe to say, the Thunder 1FT did not disappoint. Before hitting the trails, there's an essential step that often gets overlooked in bike reviews: the unboxing and assembly process. Fortunately, the Thunder 1FT makes this process simple even for a novice. The bike arrived in a sturdy, well-secured box. After using scissors to cut the outer straps, I removed the entire bike from the box, securing it with a kickstand for stability. It's worth noting that having a partner to assist with lifting it could be useful here, especially if you're not used to handling bulky items. Once the bike was safely out of the box, the real assembly begins. The steps were straightforward and intuitive. Remove all zip ties from the bike, take off the stem cap along with the bolt on the handlebar, then install the handlebars in the correct position. Open the folding latch and fold the handlebars. Reinstall the stem cap and screw. With the folding latch open, pull the stem upright and close the latch. Install the front wheel using the provided washers and nuts. Ensure the handlebars are correctly oriented before tightening them into place. Attach the pedals, insert and secure the seat. Add the lights. If desired, install additional accessories. I opted to skip the mud flaps for my test ride. Tighten all screws, charge the battery, and just like that, it was ready to ride. The Thunder 1FT e-bike stands out from the pack with a robust aluminum alloy frame and large 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires. The Thunder 1FT means business. Its design has been meticulously crafted to handle even the toughest terrains. Its sleek, agate gray finish gives it a polished, eye-catching look that makes it stand out on the trails. I was particularly impressed by this formidable e-bike's portability. The Thunder 1FT folds quickly and fits comfortably in the back of my Tesla Model Y. This feature is a game changer for explorers seeking the thrill of distant trails and the convenience of easy transportation. The Thunder 1FT boasts a powerful 500-watt brushless rear hub motor paired with a detachable 48-volt 10-amp battery. This duo delivers a smooth, power-assisted ride that leaves many other e-bikes in the dust. With a reasonable charging time of 4 to 5 hours, this bike is prepared to accompany you for full-day adventures. One of the standout features of this bike is its Shimano 6-speed transmission system, providing a versatile range of options to accommodate various riding conditions. The oil pressure front suspension, coupled with a 1,200-pound rear shock absorber, significantly enhances the riding comfort, smoothing out even the roughest of trails. The North Georgia mountains, renowned for their rugged terrain, proved an ideal testing ground. The bike's fat tires grip the ground firmly, providing exceptional traction on gravel roads. At no point during the ride did I feel unstable or at risk of slipping. The bike offers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, an adrenaline-pumping thrill on mountain trails. On a full charge, it can travel up to 50 kilometers on pure electric power or 80 kilometers with pedal assist. After a full day of riding, I found these range estimates to be spot on. The Thunder 1FT takes safety seriously. It holds an IP54 grade waterproof rating and comes with front and rear light system, making it ready for rides in various weather conditions, night or day. The hydraulic disc brakes were responsive and reliable, instilling a sense of control during my ride. The fifth wheel 1FT is more than an e-bike. It's an exceptional blend of performance, convenience, and safety. Its ability to fold up and fit in the back of a Tesla Model Y boosts its appeal even further. With a price tag of $1,399, it offers excellent value for the money. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or a casual rider looking for a bit of an adventure, the Thunder 1FT deserves serious consideration. The fifth wheel Thunder 1FT goes beyond merely meeting the expectations for a solid e-bike. It sets a new standard. It makes cycling more accessible, enjoyable, and adventurous. From the seamless assembly process to its remarkable performance on gravel roads, it gets a strong Jeremy Vinny endorsement. Don't just take my word for it though. Give it a try and conquer all terrains in comfort. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.